Hi, I'm Lucy. We are going to be making s'mores. Here is what we will need to make our delicious s'mores. Fudge striped cookies, marshmallows. You also will need a microwave. Here is how we make it. So first, grab your cookie and put it down where the chocolate is facing up. And then you grab a marshmallow, put it right on top. Now we put it in the microwave. Set the microwave for 40 seconds, but you probably won't need that long. So press start, and you gotta watch your marshmallow very closely so it does not explode. It starts to get big. Now open it. Okay, so it starts to cool down and gets a little smaller. Now I'm going to take it out. You can eat it like this, or you can do what I like to do, put another one right on top. Behold the beauty. And that is how you make a microwave s'more. Wasn't that easy? If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's call in our official taste tester. Here, try this.
Oh, sticky. Very warm.
Very, ew, got all over my hand. You may want to get bigger cookies. This marshmallow is crazy. What type of marshmallow is this anyways? Very big. It tastes like there was a graham cracker inside the marshmallow. So this is okay, but next time don't put it in for as long because it was so melted I was getting it all over me.